Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have two tables and a lookup key. Start now. First, confirm the lookup column sits on the left of your table array because Vlookup searches left to right. Next, click the target cell where you want the returned value and keep the cell with the lookup key visible. Finally, decide match type. Use false for exact matches, which is safest for ID and names. Once done, you're ready to enter the Vlookup function and reference the lookup value cell. Now enter the formula. Type equals Vlookup, then click the lookup value cell. Next, highlight the entire table array, making sure the leftmost column is the lookup column. Use absolute references like $1, $1, $D, $100 so the range stays fixed when copying. After that, enter the column index number indicating which column to return, for example 3 for the third column in the selection, and finally add false. Complete the process by verifying returned values against a few source rows. Make sure results are sensible. If you see #n/a, check for leading / trailing spaces, mismatch types like text versus numbers, or spelling differences. Use trim or value to clean entries. Also ensure table array used absolute references before filling. If you must look up a column to the left, switch to index and match or XLOOKUP for flexibility. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes most VLOOKUP failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.